we are going to this game. Failing Vanland with Sons. I was something if you call me Pass. These are very incredible, Matcha. And everybody likes to broke this thing because some are shaky. Look, it's shaky because with this guys, this what this only do. Now those and coming Matcha. And the best part is I can do this. I never seen I can climb. Let's go. Yeah. I can do this. So other Roblox is not my friend. I've been failed from one thing, so I mean leave the game. I join other game as if you say so, because I'm going to be kill the carpet now to save from her. I think she's going to be joining this game again. I think she's a member I'm joining. And this Lola coming natural. I think that's taking one. Wait, okay guys, somebody's came because I wanna dead him. Wait. Well, it's a Gumpo. He's only there. Bye bye. I warned you for something. Haha. You are mean parts. Huh? You again was right. That's not the point. Well, how is even wonder? Well, as this is comfort. And quick. Oi. No. Now, it's your great choice. Well. Wheel. Well. He's not connected already. Kadaxis, Munchins, Manti, Tumpi, Aye. Wheel. To book the fans, I got something. Let's go. I got US years. US. I got this. Use and wait. What? Okay. Yay. I'm be Hoey. He's not connected already. He's got 28% to join this. God. And Sims. Let's go to the safe place. Whoa. I fall into you dead again because I did too. If he wants me, he'll already dead. See, I warned you. I put this thing over here. Maybe it go to Elo's home? Run away, run away. And let's see. No way. Okay guys, so